In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your Gmail password in Google Chrome. This can be really helpful if you've saved your passwords in Chrome and need to recall them for any reason. We'll walk through each step carefully, so even if you're not a tech expert, you'll have no trouble at all. First things first, open up your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 vertical dots. These are your gateway to everything Chrome offers in terms of settings and customization. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you can make a variety of adjustments or access different tools in Chrome. Next, what you want to do is navigate over to the settings. In that drop-down menu that just appeared, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're in the Settings menu, which can seem like a bit of a maze if you're not familiar, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Once you're in Settings, you'll want to locate the Autofill and Passwords section. This part of the menu deals with all things related to passwords that Chrome can automatically fill for you, an incredibly handy feature. When you find it, click on Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome keeps all your passwords saved securely, so it's the key section for us right now. Now, let's look for your Gmail account specifically. Inside the Password Manager, find and select Google. This will take you to where your Google-related passwords are stored. You may see a list of various accounts if you have multiple Google accounts. Before you can view any passwords, Google needs to verify your identity for security reasons. When you attempt to view a password, a prompt will come up asking you to enter your computer password, or perhaps another type of authentication that's specific to your device. This step is crucial to ensure that you are actually the one trying to gain access. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you'll be able to see your Google account's email address and the associated password. To reveal the password, there's a small eye icon next to it. Just click on that, and voila, your password is displayed. Keep in mind, this should be done in a private space where no one can easily glance at your screen for your security. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Gmail password through Chrome. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep this password confidential and secure. If you ever feel your accounts might be compromised, change your password immediately to stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for navigating these essential settings.